Looking for a vinyl cutter that delivers clean, precise results without costing a fortune? In this video, we're comparing 4 affordable options for different projects and budgets. Updated purchase links are in the description. Starting the ranking at number 4, we have the Vever 12-inch vinyl cutting machine, an affordable option aimed at beginners, hobbyists, and small business owners who want to create personalized projects without jumping straight into a more expensive setup. At around $169, it offers a practical entry point for making decals, labels, greeting cards, wall decorations, and customized designs for shirts, mugs, or storage containers. Its compact desktop format is especially useful when space is limited, so it can fit comfortably in a craft room, home office, or small workshop without taking over the entire table. The built-in screen and physical controls make common adjustments easy to access directly from the machine, which is convenient when you want to change settings without constantly returning to your computer. It also works with Mac and Windows devices, giving most users enough flexibility to design and manage their projects through the included ExactCut software. Another welcome detail is the starter bundle. You receive a cutting mat, sample materials, blades, holders, cables, and several useful tools, so there is less extra equipment to purchase before testing your first designs. The dual tool area can also make the workflow feel smoother when switching between different project steps. Naturally, beginners may need some time to understand blade pressure, material placement, and software settings, particularly when working with detailed graphics. However, once those basics become familiar, this machine can handle a wide variety of everyday craft jobs without requiring a large investment. The Vever earns 4th place because it combines a useful accessory package, broad device compatibility, and a manageable size at a price that feels reasonable for first-time users who want to explore vinyl cutting or start selling simple personalized products from home. Remember that all the links are in the description. You can compare prices and read customer reviews. Moving into 3rd place, the Sizer Juliet is where this ranking begins to feel noticeably more professional. At around $395, it costs more than a basic hobby cutter, but that extra investment makes sense for creators who care about precision, speed, and a smoother everyday workflow. Juliet can cut materials up to 12 inches wide and works with heat transfer vinyl, adhesive vinyl, cardstock, sticker paper, craft foam, and other popular materials, making it a versatile choice for personalized clothing, labels, decals, invitations, packaging, and small business orders. What really separates it from cheaper machines is its ability to handle fine details cleanly. That matters when your design includes small lettering, intricate logos, or narrow lines that can easily tear or lose definition on less precise cutters. Its built-in camera also supports contour cutting, helping the machine follow printed designs accurately. When creating stickers or printed transfers, you can connect through Wi-Fi or USB, while the touchscreen gives you direct access to essential controls without making every adjustment from the computer. Sizer's Leonardo Design Studio software is included, and the preset settings for the company's heat transfer materials can remove much of the guesswork from choosing pressure and cutting options. It is compatible with both Windows and Mac, which makes it easier to fit into an existing workspace. There is still a learning curve, especially for anyone completely new to design software, and casual users may find the price difficult to justify. However, for someone selling custom apparel, producing detailed stickers, or completing projects regularly, Juliet offers the accuracy and flexibility needed to work with greater confidence and waste less material. It takes 3rd place because it balances desktop convenience with genuinely professional cutting performance, making it a strong step up for serious crafters and growing creative businesses. Taking the 2nd spot is the Vever 53-inch vinyl cutter, a machine designed for people who have outgrown small desktop models and need the freedom to work on much larger projects. Priced at around $414, it is especially appealing for sign makers, print shops, event decorators, and growing home businesses producing banners, storefront graphics, vehicle lettering, wall decals, or heat transfer designs in higher volumes. Its 53-inch material feed and roughly 49.6-inch cutting width allow you to create wide graphics without dividing a design into several smaller sections, saving time and making finished work look cleaner. Speed and pressure can be adjusted from the control panel, so you can adapt the machine to different vinyl types and project requirements instead of relying on one fixed setting. The semi-automatic optical positioning system is useful for following registration marks on printed graphics, making contour cut stickers and signs easier once everything is calibrated correctly. Stable rollers help keep long sheets aligned during extended jobs, reducing the chance of wasted material when producing oversized designs. The package also includes a floor stand, catch basket, cutting mat, blades, cables, and SignMaster software, giving you a more complete working setup from the beginning. That catch basket may seem like a small addition, but it keeps finished vinyl away from the floor and helps maintain an organized workspace. This is a large machine, so it requires dedicated room, and the included software is intended for Windows rather than Mac users. Beginners should also expect some setup and testing before achieving consistent results. Still, for creators who genuinely need size and production capacity, this VEVOR offers impressive value compared with many commercial format alternatives. It earns second place by delivering the workspace, adjustability, and practical accessories needed for ambitious projects without pushing the price into a professional premium category. Claiming the #1 position is the VEVOR 53-inch vinyl cutter, a large format machine that offers the strongest combination of capacity, control, and value in this ranking. At around $390, it is built for users who want to move beyond occasional crafts and start producing professional-looking work at a more serious scale. Its generous 53-inch feed width and 49.6-inch maximum cutting area give you room for storefront lettering, oversized wall graphics, vehicle decals, banners, window displays, and long heat transfer designs without constantly splitting your artwork into smaller pieces. That wider workspace can save a surprising amount of time, especially when several customer orders are waiting. 4-pinch rollers help guide the material during long cuts, while the adjustable speed and pressure let you fine-tune performance for different vinyl types, cardstock, sticker material, and other media. The digital control panel keeps those settings within easy reach, and the emergency stop and restart functions provide extra control if you notice an issue halfway through a job. VEVOR also includes a floor stand with wheels, making this substantial machine easier to position or move around a workshop. SignMaster software is part of the package, along with blades, holders, cables, and basic setup accessories, so you receive most of what is needed to begin. The main limitation is compatibility. This version is designed for Windows and does not officially support Mac, so Apple users should factor that in before buying. It also needs plenty of dedicated space and some initial calibration, meaning it is not the most convenient choice for a small desk or a complete beginner. But for a sign-making business, busy customization shop, or ambitious creator who regularly handles large designs, those compromises are understandable. This model takes first place because it delivers commercial-style width, useful control, and strong production potential for less than many smaller premium cutters.